What is going on, Cylinder Junkies? I know it's been a minute since I have made a video. As you can see behind me, we have officially made it to Tampa, Florida. That's the reason why I haven't made much of a video. And I've got another surprise. Since I've been here, I was gonna vlog the whole journey of trying to find what I'm about to reveal to you guys, but it took me roughly 3 days to make. Yes, you boys live in an apartment for now, probably for the first year I live here. It's an actual great apartment. But what I wanted to reveal is the next truck that we'll be having on the channel, and I wanted to start off a truck series, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. So maybe you guys can help me name her, but as you can see, meet the new F-150. She's a 2010. There's some things that need to be done on her. She's lifted the whole nine. You can see I've already got some mirrors on the way. I've got a new grill on the way, and then she needs some TLC. However, today what we're gonna be doing is we are going to be trying to polish these suckers up, make them look better. I'm not gonna buy new headlights if I don't have to. I might later on down the road, but for now, budget friendly, I'm going to go ahead and try my best to restore these. I know the garage is a mess. I've still got to go through and organize everything and get everything the way it should be. As you can see, the tail light is also messed up, so I've got them on the way in the mail. And then we're eventually going to go ahead and do a whole polish and get her looking good. So here she is. Again, she's a little fixer-upper. I didn't want nothing too perfect because, you know, started from the bottom, now we're going to get there. Anyways, we're gonna give her some TLC, probably gonna scrub her down. I've got this part coming in the mail, but overall 2010, 160 miles on it. I don't think it's that bad, 4x4. Yeah, so you see we really need to replace these. I think the last owner that had this did okay with keeping up with the basic maintenance. I just had to put some radiator fluid inside of the engine, but I don't think they were really that hell-bent on keeping it in perfect tip-top shape. So that's what we're gonna do. You can see it also needs a new tint. We're gonna take care of that too in the series. So stay tuned, and we're going to go ahead and make this look like a beauty. We're gonna clean up underneath the hood eventually. But for now, this is what we're doing today. All right, so I've got everything I need right here. Got the polisher and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and tape the headlights off, and then I'm going to start sanding them. So I will see you guys when I get done with that. So I've got it sanded, and remember guys, the whole reason we do this is because the tape right here is so that we don't scratch the body. As you can see, the sanding takes some time. You want to smooth it out. You want to walk it down from, I believe it's 800 grit all the way down to 400, and it'll come out looking foggy like this. Now this is where the polisher comes into play, because we're going to take that polisher, we're going to hit it with some compound, and we're going to try to polish it as much as we can until it's smooth again. But I decided not to do this one yet because I'm going to give you a little before and after. And like I said, we got to come up with a name for this thing. So I'm going to go ahead and get the polishing, and then we'll see how it turns out. We'll see if your boys still got it or not. All right, so this is what it looks like after the first pass. And the reason we polish is because we're trying to take these scratches out. As you can see, there's still some little bitty micro scratches. We're going to polish it again to see, but you can already tell the difference is drastic compared to that, you know, totally two different. This one looks like it's been there on the truck for a while. This one's almost coming out brand new. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the next pass on it, and then we'll see from there. All right, so the sun's going down. I'm gonna try to get this done quick. That's what it looks like after. As you can see, it's not the best in the world. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. And it'll do for now. That's what it used to look like. And then that's what it looks like now. So not too shabby. So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same steps on there. Tape it, sand it, and then polish it. And then we'll be back. So it's officially done. I think it looks a lot better. If you see, I've got something on it right here. This is Jet Seal. So I decided to use Chemical Guys Jet Seal because after you get done doing this, you've got to take a paint sealer of some sort and seal it. You don't necessarily have to, but it's just very smart too, because what you just did is you basically chopped down the headlights and then basically restored the headlight. And within doing that, when you chop down the plastic, you take away some of the UV protection. So this is a way of adding the UV protection back to make your restoration pretty much last longer. So I gotta wait 20 minutes for that and then it'll be done. But overall, I think it's a humongous difference. And I've got to be a little bit more quieter because it's an apartment now. You boys live in an apartment now. So don't worry, I still got the Red Reaper. She's parked right there. However, once the garage is fully finished, I usually park them right here. I park the Red Reaper right here, the truck over there. But once that garage is finished, the Red Reaper is going to be in the garage with the motorcycles. And then the truck will set out here. The F-150 will set out here. Like I said, we still need to come up with a name for her. So if you guys figure it out, let me know. I really need some names. But other than that, you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna wipe this off. Stay tuned for the next video, and welcome to the new truck series. Peace.